What's happening, guys? As you can see, I had a rusty spot here. Actually, it was a hole. What I did, I got some foam here and I filled that up with the foam. So next step is to use a cutter and cut this foam and make it even with the surface. So I also had rusty spots here with the holes, as you can tell right there. So just gonna have to cut this. Just gonna have to go evenly. You see? Cut it. That's it. Right there. Next spot is right here. There. You see, like that. Even it out a little bit. Nice. Right there. Another spot right here. Right there. Nice and even. We're gonna patch that up a little bit later. Big ass chunk right there, right there, right there. Okay, it's nice and even. Okay, right there. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's looking good. It's looking good. We're gonna patch it later and then paint it over. As you can see, there's no more holes. There was a big one right there. We did some more bonding, put some more bonding, patching. First coat, a little rough, but that's okay. It's a little rough, but it's coming along. Then we need to sand it and then do another coat and even it smooth as possible. This is the original filler we use. $16 in Walmart, Bondo by 3M, all purpose. So there you go. I'm gonna get back at you when we do some second coat and some sanding. See you guys later. Thank you. Now I'm gonna do some sanding right here. We're gonna use this one. See if we can get it as smooth as possible, and then do a little second coat, and then make it smooth and finish it up. It's a few steps of process, but yep. Let's start. Going pretty good. Better than do it with a hand. Picked up this sander at Harbor Freight. Not bad. I don't know the price of it. I forgot. It's been a while. It's a little dusty, but not too bad. We'll make it smooth as possible. Here you go, final sanding. I'm gonna use the 80 grit to make it a little bit smooth. Takes a lot of it, and after that I'm gonna use 120 to make it nice and smooth before I put some primer and filler, and that's gonna do it. That's gonna be it, finished product. So I'm doing 80 grit, sand it, and then smooth it out with 120 and put some primer and filler. Alright, appreciate you guys. Let me go back and get some dust on my hands and get dirty and get this thing done. After sanding, this is how it looks right there. Now we're gonna do some washing and then prime it. Here we got some soap. All we're gonna do is wash all the dust and dirt and put some primer on it and filler spray. Let's do that. Let's wash it first. After a nice wash, I'm hitting it up right there. Filler primer right there. Prime it up, get it ready before we hit up the final finish coat. Actually got a little shine back after wash the van. It's looking pretty decent right now, even with the primer. Right there. Let it dry a little bit. Hit it up with some white spray paint. Shiny. It should blend in. Looking pretty decent right now. Here, heating it up with Home Depot glossy white spray paint, fast dry all purpose. Hit it up. This is what it is, first coat. Many to come, man. There's many coats to come. It's gonna take a minute to cover all that, you know. It's gonna take coats and coats to get it covered and blending in as much as possible with existing old color. Right there. It's covering, but it's kind of cold outside too, so it's gonna take a minute. Multiple coats. Get that thing out. Here we're done with the first can. So we're at the end. And this is how it looks after filling the holes, sanding, patching, primering, sanding, and all that to the finish coat. From start to finish, you can check it out, see the progress, and yeah, let me know what kind of DIY job was this. Real amateur doing some body work. For me it works, for me it looks better, so you guys let me know what you guys think, and catch you guys in the next DIY. So this is it. Like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.